In today's video, how to upload YouTube Shorts from your computer. Ensure you have YouTube Shorts video file ready on your desktop or any location on your computer. Next, launch Google Chrome or any web browser you prefer. Go to YouTube website and log into your account you want to upload short to. In the top right corner, click on Create button. It looks like a camera with a plus sign. And select Upload Video from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Select Files to open File Explorer. Navigate to and select your YouTube Shorts video file. Enter title for your short. Add description. The first 2 or 3 lines are crucial as they are visible when scrolling through shorts. You can add text. Optionally, you can add video to relevant playlist. Audience. Just select no, it's not made for kids. And YouTube should automatically recognize your video as short based on its length and format. You will see message indicating this. This feature allows you to link long-form video to your shorts. Click on Add and select related long-form video from your channel. This helps drive traffic from shorts to your other content. If your channel is monetized, you will need to review and submit your ad suitability settings. Check your categories that apply to your video content and submit. Choose whether to make your video public, unlisted or private. And if you want to publish short at a later date, use scheduling tools to set your desired date and time. Once you review all details and settings, click on Publish if you want to make it to live immediately, or you can schedule it if you have set future date.